Hmm?
Hi friends! Welcome back to Fun Learning for Kids with SJ. Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about safety rules. It is very important to know the safety rules. Staying away from danger is called safety. It's the state of being safe. There are many ways in which we can be injured or harmed if we are not careful. We should always try our best to live safely, and we should always follow all the safety rules. Safety rules should be followed at home, at school, at the swimming pool, on the road. And actually, they should be followed everywhere. Let's learn about them today. Safety at home. We should be careful at home. Do not play with things like scissors, blades, knives, switches and wires, medicines, matchbox or fire. These can be extremely harmful for us. For example, if you play with scissors, you might get cut. And playing with fire is dangerous. You may burn yourself or your house might catch fire. Do not touch electrical equipments like switches and wires, hot irons, oven, computer, music system, toasters, and other electric items with wet hands. It may give you an electric shock. Do not go near the stove or touch the hot pans. You may burn yourself. Keep your toys, bags, and other items in the proper place. You or anyone else could fall over them. Do not push anyone or run and jump on the stairs. You may hurt yourself or others. Do not fly kites on the roof of your house. Go to a playground to fly the kite. Be careful. Never open the door for strangers. They may harm you. While most people are good, but there are some bad people also who do not keep kids safe. Don't be tempted by people you don't know. Now let's see some road safety rules we should always follow. Road safety is the protection and prevention of road accidents by using all the road safety measures. Look closely. It's very important to know the traffic signals. Yellow. Yellow means to slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. Red means stop. When the signal turns red, all the vehicles have to stop. Green means go. Only when the signal turns green, vehicles move ahead. Look both ways while crossing a street. Never cross if vehicles are coming. Use the zebra crossing only when you see the vehicles are stopped. Wear a helmet when riding a two-wheeler. It protects us from injury. Wear a seat belt while in the car. It helps against harmful movements like a sudden brake. Don't run and play on roads. It may lead to serious accident. Do not get on or off a moving bus. You may hurt yourself. Never stick hands outside the vehicle. Some passing vehicle can harm you. Always stand in a queue at the bus stop while waiting for the bus. Do not push anyone. Never talk to the driver when he's driving. It is always recommended to use the sidewalks or footpath to walk. Now we'll learn some safety tips for school and outside. Do not ever leave your school or go anywhere with a stranger. Do not eat anything given to you by a stranger. It may be harmful for you. Do not share your secrets and family details with strangers. In case of danger, always shout for help. When you are on the playground, always wait for your turn on the swings. You should follow few rules at the swimming pool. Let's look at it. You should wear proper swimwear, goggles and caps while swimming. You should wear rubber shoes so that you don't slip on the deck. The floor around the pool is usually wet, so you should never run there. You should also never push anyone. You should swim when the lifeguard is around or an adult is there with you. Don't fool around or jump into the pool if you don't know how to swim. We must use a swimming tube while learning to swim. Don't forget to shower before and after a swim. Go to the restroom when nature calls you. Very good. Now we'll learn about something very important. First aid. Friends, even if we carefully follow the safety rules, we may sometimes get hurt. If someone else is injured, we should help them. The help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor is called first aid. The purpose of first aid is to minimize the injury and future disability. If someone is injured, then in case of wounds or cuts, clean it properly and then use an antiseptic lotion. If an adult is there, ask for help. If there's a minor burn, ice cubes can be applied for relief. If it's a major accident and no one is around, immediately dial the emergency number. Friends, now it's time to learn something that is most important. Good touch and bad touch. Friends, when mama gives you a hug or daddy gives you a goodnight kiss, it makes you feel happy, comfortable and safe. It is good touch. But sometimes when a person touches you and you get an uncomfortable feeling, it's bad touch. If someone touches your private parts without a reason, it's a bad touch. It's a bad touch if someone touches you and tells you not to tell anyone. If you feel uneasy with someone's touch, run away from there and tell your parents or teachers about it. Here are some safety tips to remember when you are using the internet. Always remember the 5 SMART rules when going online, playing games, or using apps. S for safe. Keep safe by being careful not to give out personal information such as your full name, email address, phone number, home address, photos, or school name to people you are chatting with online. M for meet. Meeting someone you have only been in touch with online can be dangerous. only do so with your parents' permission, and even then, only when they can be present. A for accepting. Accepting emails or opening files, pictures, or texts from people you don't know or trust can lead to problems. They may contain viruses or nasty messages. R for reliable. Information you find on the internet may not be true, or someone online may be lying about who they are. Make sure you check information before you believe it. T for tell. Tell your parents or a trusted adult if someone or something makes you feel uncomfortable or worried, or if you or someone you know is being bullied online.
Friends, remember, life is very precious and you should take care of it. Always follow safety rules and be smart. Be safe.
It's game time! In this game, you will get 3 options and you have to select the correct answer. You will get 5 seconds to guess the answer. I hope you remember all the safety rules. Come on, let's start. Here is the first one. We must not play with a dash. Ball, toy, knife. Yes, you're right. The answer is knife. We must not play with a knife. While learning to swim, we must use a dash, blade, swimming tube, scissors. Excellent! The answer is swimming tube. We must use a swimming tube while learning to swim. We must not dash out of the window of a moving bus. Lean, see, both. Good job. The answer is lean. We must not lean out of the window of a moving bus. We must not touch dash. Electric plugs, pencil box, both. Fantastic! The answer is electric plugs. We must not touch electric plugs. We must always walk on the dash, footpath, road, rocks. Excellent! The answer is footpath. We must always walk on the footpath. Where should we cross the road? Railway crossing, zebra crossing, both. Fantastic! The answer is zebra crossing. We should use zebra crossing to cross the road. Where should we play? Road, rooftop, playground. Awesome! The correct answer is playground. We should play in the playground. Playing with dash can cause a fire. Matchstick, books, toys. Yes, you're right. Playing with matchstick can cause a fire. When riding your bike, what should you wear?
a seat belt, a life jacket, a helmet. Yes, you're right. You should wear a helmet when riding your bike. Hey, I really do appreciate you watching this video with me. If you needed help with other EVS topics like animals and plants, or you wanted to learn more about sense organs and different types of houses, then you can watch my other videos on those topics. You will see a link in the description box below. You can click on it and directly go to those videos. Thanks so much for watching this. I hope to see you next time. Bye.